Hello and welcome to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can pin a program to taskbar or to your start menu on your computer. For this case, I'm using Windows 10 and this should also apply to the other Windows. When we talk of taskbar, we are talking of this bar, this lower part. This is one of the best locations that you can add applications that you use on a daily basis or each and every time. And when we talk of the start menu, you can access the start menu by simply clicking on the Windows icon, and this is the start menu. So first, let me show you how you can add a program on your taskbar so that you can easily access it and open it whenever you want. In my case, I want to add VLC as well as Opera browser to the start menu. So let's start with Opera browser. To do that, just right click on the program and then click on Pin to Taskbar. When we go back, now you'll find Opera browser has been added to our taskbar, and here it is. Next, I will wish to add VLC on the taskbar. I'll go ahead and repeat the same process. Right click on the program and then click on Pin to Taskbar. And instantly you can see VLC has been added to our taskbar. You can rearrange your programs depending on how frequent you'll need them or how frequent you use them. If I'm going to use Opera browser most frequently, then I'll just move to the first position. I can move the other programs to any position as I wish, and they'll be rearranged. Now to open the program, you can just double click on it without having to click it from here. And as you can see, our Opera browser has been opened. Alternatively, you can open any program on your taskbar by hitting the Windows button on your keyboard with the number. If we want to open Opera browser, I can simply tap on Windows and then 1. And instantly Opera browser will be opened. If I want to open the second, which is Copilot, on my taskbar, I can simply tap the Windows button and number 2 on my keyboard, and the Copilot program will be launched. And here we go. So you have 3 options to use to open any program on your computer. Open it directly on your icons, or quick open it on the taskbar, or as well use the Windows button on your keyboard with a combination of the position it appears. If it appears first, it will be Windows and 1. If it appears at position 3, use a combination of Windows button and number 3. Next, we are going to pin Spotify to the start menu. To do so, right click on Spotify, and this time around, instead of clicking on Pin to Taskbar, we shall click on Pin to Start, and it has been added. You can see it has been added among the productivity tools in our tiles. We can as well rearrange programs that are on our start menu. To do so, go ahead and click the program and then just drag it and move it around, and it will be rearranged. You can go ahead and move all the programs to any location as you wish. You can also launch any program from here. Just click on the program and then wait for it to open. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.